In 2025, several companies are promising healthy shareholder growth, and in this video, we'll have a look at the top 5 unlisted shares that you could invest in 2025. First is OYO. OYO is a leading global hospitality chain. The company has 157,000 plus hotels and homes across 35 countries such as India, China, Malaysia, Nepal, Indonesia, and UAE. With an asset-light business model, OYO has recently expanded its operations in Europe and USA, and here are some key highlights. The company's EBITDA improved by 464% to Rs 859.9 crore for financial year 2024 compared to Rs minus 236.1 crore in financial year 2023. Adjusted gross profit margin remained strong at 23.6% in financial year 2024, which was 23.2% in financial year 2023, despite a substantial addition of new inventory. Growth across Europe, the USA, and the Middle East, adding 700 hotels, crossing the initial target of 200 hotels. Turned profitable for the first time with a PAT of Rs 229.6 crore, and this is a major reversal from the Rs minus 1,286.6 crore loss reported in financial year 2023. The recent strategic acquisitions in the UK, USA, and Dubai signed a global expansion. Second is CSK. IPL is one of the biggest events held annually. American investment banker Houlihan Lokey valued IPL's business at USD 16.4 million, which is approximately 1,34,858 crore, a 6.5% increase from the previous year. CSK has emerged as the most valued franchisee with a brand value of $231 million, growing by 9% since last year. This can be attributed to many reasons, including these: 13x rise in year-on-year profits. For financial year 2024, CSK reported a 13x increase in PAT at Rs 201.5 crore as against Rs 13.8 crore in financial year 2023. Loyal fan base. CSK has a massive dedicated fan base around the country. They often travel with them to different cities, and this adds to their brand value. Dhoni's reputation. MS Dhoni has a huge following all over the globe. This creates more eyeballs in terms of match viewership, directly increasing their sponsorship revenue. Recently, Torrent Group acquired a majority stake in Gujarat Titans for Rs 7,500 crore, and CSK's valuation is comparatively low in the unlisted market as of now. Currently, the CSK unlisted share price trades at Rs 203 per share at a PE of 32 and market cap of Rs 7,543 crore. The company's consistent financial growth is worth noting for investment opportunities. Next is Cochin International Airport. CIAL is India's first greenfield airport built with public-private partnerships involving Kerala state government. It is also the world's first airport operating on solar energy. CIAL witnessed massive growth, becoming 4th largest Indian airport for international passenger traffic. And this is the traffic and cargo data, both international and domestic, in the last 5 years. The CIAL share price has almost doubled in 2024, trading from Rs 250 per share in Jan 2024 to Rs 475 per share in December 2024. With premiumization and diversification of services beyond the airport, CIAL is on a stable growth path which can be appealing to investors. Fourth is Indophil Industries Limited. Indophil belongs to the renowned KK Modi group of companies. Incorporated in 1993, Indophil is a leading multi-product chemical company with expertise in manufacturing, distributing, and marketing agrochemicals and specialty chemicals. Over the years, the company has provided the best-in-class chemicals to domestic and international markets. Indophil has two major businesses, Agrochemicals and Innovative Solutions Division, First is agrochemicals, where the needs and problems of the crops are identified and an attempt is made to meet the same by existing solutions or procuring new or right solutions. Second is the Innovative Solutions division, where Indophil is a leading manufacturer and supplier of specialty performance chemicals being used by a wide variety of small, medium and large industrial manufacturers globally. The company is headquartered in Mumbai with manufacturing facilities in Gujarat and Navi Mumbai. And here are some of the key performance highlights of the company. The company has given a 121% return in 2024, growing from rupees 660 per share in Jan 2024 to rupees 1460 per share in Jan 2025. And this growth trajectory and portfolio can be a favorable investment opportunity for investors. Next is Tata Capital. Tata Capital Limited is a financial arm of the Tata Group. An NBFC registered with RBI, Tata Capital acts as the one-stop financial partner serving corporate, institutional and retail customers. Their services include these: personal loans, business loans, home loans, private equity, commercial and SME finance. Currently, Tata Capital's unlisted shares are trading at rupees 1050 per share. And here are some key financial touchpoints of Tata Capital. As the NBFC grows in price value and net worth year by year, Tata Capital is going to be an interesting investment opportunity in 2025. Tata Capital Board approves IPO plan, also lines up rupees 1504 CR rights issue, and you can secure your wealth by investing in Tata's NBFC firm. When it comes to unlisted or pre-IPO shares, buying early is the key to maximizing profits, and if you want to learn more about unlisted shares, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.